Welcome, and I'd like to introduce you to this awesome home. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, solar, 3-car garage, and definitely check with the city, but you could probably turn that into a junior ADU. It's got the room for it. This is a great home in a great community. It's in the Cherry Blossom Ranch area. Let's go take a look inside. One of my favorite things about this home is this massive area that you just walk into. It's got the dining room. It's got a big living room, vaulted ceiling. It is just a big space to entertain. And not only that, you get straight access to the kitchen and another living space, another family room. It's a really big home, and it feels even bigger because of the big vaulted ceiling. And I really enjoy this part of the house because it feels a little bit more intimate, even though it's still large because of the vaulted ceilings. You're really connected with the kitchen. You're connected with your family. Let's just say somebody's preparing the meal. You could be sitting down and watching TV, or you both could be in the kitchen. This is the room that I was telling you guys about. Definitely check with the city, but you might be able to turn this into a junior ADU, which would give you even more living space for this house. And now follow me through the rest of the house. As you walk into the left, you're going to notice that both bedrooms, they're both a good size and they have high ceilings. As well, you take a look at the restroom and you're going to see some really nice touches that the homeowners have done. As you walk to the right, you're going to walk into the large primary bedroom with vaulted ceilings, a large walk-in closet, and of course the primary bathroom with dual sinks. This house is just ready to go. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. As you saw, this is a perfect home for you and your family, or just you. I'm looking forward to connecting with you.